start it. So they try to fool us, but not really. It's even locked. Nice. Minor damage car, sunroof is broken, starts, drives. Need to visit mechanic, higher mileage, and I hear noise when you turn air conditioner on. So, but otherwise, decent shape. What's up everyone, my name is Andre and welcome to Autohacker channel, the only channel on YouTube where I show you how to save up to 50% on your next car. Today I'm driving to Copart to show you two Infiniti Q50 and Q60. One is a theft recovery vehicle, vandalism, and another one is a stage car. Let me go, touch it, check it out, and let you know if it's a good deal or not. You ready? Let's go! And what do you guys say about this Infiniti? This seems to be extremely nice. It says a front end damage. I don't see much front end damage here. It's a 2017 Q60 Premium, and you see the damage is the roof damage. So it means it might be a flood damage car, but I bet it's gonna start and drive Q60. So it's a coupe. White color, nice rims, like it, 19-inch ones. That's the case I really like. It's a used car, decent shape, 3.0 liter. Okay, I'm gonna total loss vehicle. Okay, so the front wheel turn my way, this and this needs to be turned that way. Yep, it's all good. Let's go and try to start it. Okay, so what's the problem? Why was it salvaged? So, tensioner, I think it's working. Yeah, it's working. So seat is in okay condition. All right. Okay, smells good. Okay. Oh, so you see the pieces right here, so it's broken, so maybe something heavy dropped. All right, any water damage? No gum. Some other stuff. Let's start it. I like this test. Yeah, beautiful. So let's see. Okay, I don't like the noise on the engine. So yeah, works not good. So something is wrong. Tire pressure. Oh, it's actually where air conditioning. So engine works smooth. Okay. So air conditioning fan was working harsh. Still engine sign. Tires 93,000 miles. It's decent. Two screens. Okay, works good. Yep, let's see if it's gonna drive. Yep, goes forward, goes backwards. Okay, test is done. Minor damage car. Sunroof is broken. Starts, drives. Still need to visit mechanic because it's a higher mileage and I hear noise when you turn air conditioning on. So, but otherwise, decent shape, no damages. I see some paperwork on the back. Let me get it. No, that's not paperwork for the car. Certificate of completion. Anything here? Original books, guys. Original books. Infiniti. And original sticker. I like these ones when I can find it. Let's see. So 2017 Q60 Premium, the original price was $52,500. Wow, it has some nice packages, driver assistant package, premium plus package, premium paint, like it. And now you can get this car for under $10,000 with minor or no damages, even books included. Amazing stuff. Check what I found. Woo, snake. Next to the Jaguar. 30 Q50S. Kind of loose. This one is broken. Sensor is off. Okay, that's weird. Oh, so okay, so this airbag gone. So it's probably stolen, right? Looks good. I mean, besides no tires. Twin turbo. This, yeah, doesn't say it. Where's that? Okay. So this piece is broken, I guess. No, at least I see it. The key is there. 893. So let's start. Okay. Okay, no airbag. Okay. Yeah, it's in parked. Get some warnings. But otherwise, very decent, works fine. Okay. Okay, windshield is broken. Yeah. So yeah, no. Otherwise, yeah, just no wheels. Minor damages. Okay, let's see. Ooh, lots of things here. Nice. Appleton Estate. Perfect. Some personal items. Shirts. Body lotion with the smell of bourbon. Okay. So I guess it was stolen. And that's it. Oh, that's the damage. So it was broken in. Okay. So I don't like this part. It needs to be fixed. They broke it. I don't like this part. Looks like it was a damage as well. Maybe it was a previous accident. This one side looks good. This one, I don't like it. This part especially. Interior is nice. This part is cracked as well. This plastic part cracked. Infiniti Q50. No books. Okay. Okay. This piece. What is that? Okay. This part is gone. Yeah, so it's a little bit weird. Does it go down? Okay. Okay. Okay, and the final Infiniti I'm gonna check today. That's supposed to be Red Edition, and it's a stage car. Okay, so I see the damage right away. That's the fender damage. The bumper was repainted. Okay, what else? Scratch right there. Again, another sunroof damage. Another one? What? No, you guys try to fool us that it's a damage because of the roof. No, 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 no. This car is trash, and I'm gonna prove it. So there's a damage on the door. It was fixed. There's filler. I don't like it how it sits here. Okay, what else? On the back it looks decent, okay. So it's a Q60 Sport Red, 400 horsepower. It's 19-inch rims, decent ones. So they glued it because sunroof is missing. So people, when they see it, they're like, okay, sunroof missing, so minor water damage. No guys, no, it looks decent, but it was in a previous accident. And now I think it was something wrong with the engine. Let's try to get in. I'm gonna carefully open it up. It's even locked, guys. We won't be able to get inside, so they lock the car. So no keys. See, inside gonna be okay, all right? But the reason they've done this trick and they threw away the keys so nobody could start the car. Okay. Oh, okay, so this one is open. I'm gonna get from this side. Okay, so I got inside the car. Let's see what's inside. So they try to fool us, but not really. Okay, so yeah. This one is gone. Oh, I like this carbon fiber. This is a custom-made carbon fiber with a purple tint. Wow, looks pretty nice. I like it, okay. But you can buy it extremely cheap if you have another engine. So you swap the engine and then you get this nice car. You know what I like? Yeah, I like this carbon fiber. I'm not sure if it's original or not, but I never seen it, and it looks very nice. Okay, we're gonna open the door. Why it's not opening? So the door is not opening. Huh? That's weird. Okay. Anyways, let's see if books here. Of course not. They took the books. They took everything. So yeah, key is not there. It's not gonna start. But otherwise, inside it looks decent. But interior looks okay. Seats looks nice. Just the engine damage. Okay, so what's the verdict? I saw 3 Infinitis. The one without the wheels, I'm not sure. It's a dodgy one. It kind of think you just put $2,500 in fixing it. Just buy a new set of wheels, let's say 19 inches, and that's it. But I didn't like what was happening on the back. It was broken. I didn't like the front. There were some parts laying around. There's some dents, some scratches, and the car looks tired. Okay, so this one definitely, it's a decent one. It's supposed to be Sport Red, 400 horsepower, but the engine is dead. I guarantee it's 101%. It's that you need to swap the engine. If you know how to do it and you buy it for the right price, that might be a good car. And I really like the other car, the one with a really broken sunroof, probably some minor water damage. But I started the car, it sounded a little bit off with air conditioning, so I would move it straight to the experienced mechanic to check it. But otherwise, if you buy that car for the right price, I think it can be a really great deal. I think that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. It was a Copart walk around with Andrei Ivanov, carsfromwest.com. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, because I drop new episode every Sunday. Cheers guys, see you next week.